tayong mga Agila, siyang magiging ehemplo sa tunay na pagkakaisa ng bawat Pilipino.
Welcome here at Grand Millennium Al Wada Abu Dhabi 4, the historic and monumental chartering and induction ceremonies of Dubai UAE Sandigan Eagles Club and other clubs belonging to National Capital Region 16.
By virtue of powers to be, as the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated for the Eagle Year 2025-2026, I hereby declare that the chartering and induction of Dubai UAE Sandigan Eagles Club and induction of additional members of Abu Dhabi UAE Central Sandigan Eagles Club, Abu Dhabi UAE Sandigan Eagles Club is now called to order. Mga kuya, in a few minutes, you will now become a bona fide member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. You have been charged accordingly to your duties and responsibilities being a member of our fraternity. I hope after this chartering and induction, you have to perform your duties and responsibilities for the betterment of our national brotherhood. By virtue of powers to me, as the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, I hereby present this charter grant to Dubai UAE Sandigan Eagles Club through their charter president, Kuya Vinsor Yi Concepcion, to be accept and affiliate to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Kuya PL Director, please read the text of the charter grant.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Congratulations! Dubai UAE Sandigan Eagles Club! You are the youngest club affiliated! To formally welcome our new na mga kuya, let us greet them officially with our Eagles handshake.
Binigay na lahat sa inyo, lahat ng mga doktrina. Isa lang ang gusto kong gawin ninyo. Sa pagiging Agila, napakahirap pumasok, kaya dapat panindigan natin.
Be a community that makes life more bearable for each other. Isang komunidad na nakafocus sa worldwide humanitarian service.
Let us congratulate Kuya Pres Vinsor Concepcion with our Eagles handshake.
From the beginning that we are creating this club, no? What I instill to our club members is the brotherhood, the service, and of course, the love of God.
Kuya Pres, I hereby turn over to you this gong and gibbon as a sign and symbol of your authority. Leadership responsibility to govern Dubai UAE Sandigan Eagles Club, effective 22nd day of February 2025.
I wholeheartedly accept this gong and gavel as a symbol of authority, responsibility, leadership to govern Dubai UAE Sandigan Eagles Club for Eagle Year 2025-2026.
So our presence here is not just for our fellow Filipinos, but for the entire UAE and for the entire Middle East. And since the fulcrum of the economy, society is already congregating here, this is and will be the center of the globe. So you are very well poised to be at the center of the globe. And as being members of the Philippine Eagles, I know you already have a distinct advantage.
Tayo rin dapat ang mangunguna ng tunay na respeto sa bawat Pilipino, hindi lang sa membro natin, but to all the Filipino people. Ano yan? Agila kasi yan. Disiplinado yan. Agila yan. May respeto yan. Agila yan. May pagkakaisa yan. Yun ang pangarap natin lahat. Dapat huwag magbabago. Kung ano yung nakita ko ngayon dito, dapat ituloy-tuloy ninyo.
Cheers! Kampay! Mabuhay ang Agila!
I would like to call on this chartering and induction of Dubai UAE League and Eagles Club, Ajor.
Mabuhay ang Agila!